Good afternoon. My name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roof in Central Georgia. I'm on the roof of Miss Gloria Baker on Lone Pine Drive in East Dublin. Got a lot of wind damage on the front and left slopes here. This is the front slope. I've got a box drawn off to designate the repair area, as well as some marked right here with wind damage. Give you a few of those to start. This is the left slope, lots of it blown back. We're gonna record an attempted repair here as we anticipate brittleness and mat transfer to be a potential issue. We're gonna start by trying to break these up to the left of the wind damaged area. This one's already loose. All of the mats transferring. So this one that we just broke loose will not reseal properly. This one's already loose. Again, that's like all the mat is transferring. I'm gonna mark both of these that we popped loose. Show you a close-up view of that. Keep going for the time being. Yeah, these will never reseal, so even if we were to pull up these shingles with the wind damage on them, these adjacent to them or above them, beside them, are never going to reseal to a point that next storm that comes, the ones that we've popped loose will be creased up or blown off like those, because we've damaged the seal underneath them. There's a puncture. And so between the mat transfer and now the tear here, which I'll give you a close-up view of, we would have to recommend a full roof replacement to address the wind damage on this roof, as this is not repairable. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 478-279-7349. Again, my name is Evan Penny with Fraser Roof in Central Georgia, and this is Miss Gloria Baker's roof in East Dublin.